so I just cut some veneer off the back of these. So here is the inside. That will go in there, like so. Put a tiny bit of dowel on there just to give it a bit of a shine. Now all I've got to do is sand it down, sand it back. I might oil it, I might wax it, I'm not sure. I don't know what I'm going to do here. I might drill a hole, or I might place something in there, or I could drill holes down here just to put like a pencil in or something. I'm not sure. But so far it's going well. It's quite nice. It's just out of it, 2x4, and it's really cheap to make and quite quick. I've been sanding with this. It's a palm sander. I started off with 800 grit. Now I'm going down to 120, and I'm just going down. So I'm making that small feature. These two holes in here, I'll probably make them features as well. But it's going well at the moment. It's getting really smooth and really easily. Obviously, getting in this area here, that's hard because it's not very flexible, that sander. But I can just do it by hand. So as you can see, and just gluing a few last bits together that didn't have any glue on it in the first place. So they're just gluing back together with a big hand clamp. And after that, I should be able to oil it. Okay, so just as a test, I'm going to use the back of the inside and use some teak oil on that. So I've got a rag here, and I've got a pot here just to pour some teak oil into. So let's try some of that. Just need to put it in the vise because I can't do it with one hand. It looks more like a golden brown now instead of a dull pale colour. So I'll definitely be using oil for the rest of my project. Okay, so I'm just about to put the teak oil onto my Bandsaw box. I've sanded it down to 280 grit sandpaper. Filled in the gaps that I left, and it's very nice. And I added a bit here just because it looked a bit plain around here, so I just added that. I've got a clean rag, or it's not clean, but it's had oil on it before, so it doesn't matter. Dip it in my oil pot. I'm going to start on the back, and I'm going to start and just rub it in. And just keep rubbing it in until most of it's got in there, and then you'll still have a load on your clean rag to go around the edges. Right, okay, now it's time for a different rag and some polishing wax. This is just some antique polishing wax. Any wax would do, really. But I'm just using this just to wax the inside where the drawer will come out, so it's a much of a smoother run. Okay, a few minor adjustments. Here I just I made that gap wider so you can put your phone in there now, so it could be a desk stand now. And this fell off, so I glued it on again a lot more, and I nailed it from the back. What else? I sanded it down a lot more, so it's a lot smoother, and then I recoated with some teak oil, and now it just looks perfect.